Welcome back to the InfoFlux. In this video, we are building a simple yet powerful home automation system using the Raspberry Pi Pico W and the Blink app. As a demonstration, we will control two prototype devices, an RGB LED module and a small fan. Just like you would control lights, fans, or other appliances in smart home setup. The Raspberry Pi Pico W is a low-cost, high-performance microcontroller board based on the RP2040 chip. With built-in Wi-Fi, it is perfect for IoT projects like this one, where wireless control is essential. And it is compact, energy efficient, and beginner friendly. Let's take a quick look at the components you will need for this project. Raspberry Pi Pico W, relay module, fan, RGB LED module, breadboard, and jumper wires. Here how it works. The Blink app on your smartphone communicates with the Raspberry Pi Pico W or Wi-Fi. The Pico receives commands from virtual pins and control devices accordingly. In this example, we are using an RGB LED and a fan as stand-in for real home appliances. For the RGB LED module, connect the R, G, and B pins to GPIOs 17, 18, and 19 respectively. Connect ground to ground. For the relay module, connect the VCC pin of the relay to 5-volt pin of the Pico. Connect the ground pin of the relay to the Pico ground. Connect the signal pin of the relay to GPIO 16. Connect the fan to normally open of the relay module. Now let's set up Blink IoT platform. Open the Blink web dashboard and go to Developer Zone. Click on Create New Template. Give it a name like Home Automation with Raspberry Pi Pico W. Select the Raspberry Pi as the hardware and choose Wi-Fi as the connection type. Go to Data Streams. Click New Data Stream. Choose Virtual Pin. Give it a name and click Create. Repeat this step to create other virtual pins, e.g. V1, V2, V3. Navigate to the web dashboard. Add 4 switch widgets and link them to the respective virtual pins. Click Save. Go to the Devices section. Click New Device. Select from Template. Choose the template you just created. Your Blink authentication code will be generated. Copy and save it somewhere safe. You will need it for the code. Now we will set up the Blink mobile app. Open the Blink mobile app. Tap on your home automation template. Then go to Develop. Add 4 button widgets, one for each device. Link each button to the corresponding virtual pin. In the design section, you can rename each button, e.g. red LED, fan, etc. and adjust the text size. Once done, you will see your button layout. Your smart interface is ready. Now let's move on to the code. Copy the Blink library code. And save it on the Raspberry Pi Pico as blinklab.py. Then copy the main control code. And save it as main.py. Make sure your Wi-Fi credentials and authentication code are correctly added in the script. With the code uploaded and the Pico powered on, it will first connect to your Wi-Fi and then link to the Blink cloud. Let's test it. I am opening the Blink app and tapping the buttons. It lights up red and green. Now blue. Let's turn on the fan. Perfect. All devices are now controllable over Wi-Fi right from your phone. We can also control it from the laptop using web dashboard. You can see the LED can be turned on and off from the web dashboard. Also, you can turn on and off the fan. How cool is that? You have just controlled real world devices with your smartphone from anywhere in the world as long as your Pico and phone have internet access. And this is just beginning. You can scale this project to control lights, exhaust fans, air purifiers, smart curtains, or even create a scheduled automation using the Blink app. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below on what appliance you would automate next. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.